65. Over on the fall line. Getting over on the center line. 36 feet or
10-4.
10-4. Central on primary. I want to dispatch let already get that primary on. Yes, sir. 104 Central 219. Yes, sir. Won't be right there now. Hey, that way.
36 Newport on behind it now, will be primary.
I'll take up secondary, provide him that information. First, go to the house. 70 mile an hour.
I can't see the driver, the window's tinted. I'm going to try to TV on before they get into town. We're going 50 around Jackson Curve. TBI, they've wrecked out. They're going in the ditch.
Between Jackson Curve and Powers. 6 drive.
Go ahead, get one rolling just in case. Hey, get over here! Turn your ass around.
Which way are you gonna go?
Turn around and walk backwards.
How do I walk backwards?
Like you would normally. Walk backwards. Turn around and start walking.
Please help me.
You will. Come up here and you'll be all right. Turn around.
I've got bruises. I've been bruised.
Turn around.
Wait for me.
Turn around or you're going to get tased.
Where do I go?
Turn around, face that way, and walk.
Hold on.
Face that way.
Listen to me.
Okay. Look, you're about to get tased.
Okay, I don't want you to. Please.
Yeah. Well, you're going to get shot with a beanbag.
I want you, please help.
Well, then turn around. Listen, hey, listen. You're not listening.
No. Which way to go?
You are not listening. Face that way.
Which way? Okay.
Listen.
Okay.
Hands behind your head.
Hands behind your head.
Now walk backwards to him. You got lethal. Walk to the back.
Walk to the back of the rig. Keep coming back.
Walk backwards now. I know. Walk slowly.
Please don't be mean to me.
Come on.
Just turn around.
Give me your hand.
Turn around.
Give me your hand.
I'm just trying to get away from somebody that's raping me.
Come on back.
I'm trying.
Let me have your hand.
Okay.
Let me have your hand.
Okay.
Come on back.
Okay, hold on. I'm stuck. Hold on. Look, my foot's stuck. Look at it. I'm stuck. It's stuck. Help me. Help me. Okay.
All right, come on back.
Just walk back.
Please, I feed myself.
Okay, walk back.
Okay.
Come on back.
Okay, I'm trying.
Come on back. Come on back.
Okay, please.
Come on back.
Please.
All right, put your hands on the car.
Please. Please, I'm scared.
Just put your hands behind your back.
Okay. Sorry. I just left the house. Look at my wrist. I've been abused. I've been raped. I'm trying to get away. Where do we go?
This way.
Where do we go?
Newport, we're 10-15.
Please. I'm scared. I just peed myself. I'm disgusting. Please.
Walk up the hill.
Go ahead.
Please, I'm just scared.
Keep walking.
Okay, can I take a breath a minute? I don't know what to do.
Just breathe.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay. Which way do you want me to go?
We're going to walk up this hill, okay?
Please help me.
Come on.
Please.
Just walk up the hill.
My phone's said I don't know how to get home. I'm not from here. I'm from Missouri, but I was taken. I was taken.
Okay, come on.
Okay, which way to go?
Just up the hill.
I don't know what I'm doing. Please help me. Please. Please.
Did you put her in your truck?
Please. Hold on. Please,
just
please,
walk.
please, give me a minute. Please.
Huh?
I come from Alabama. I was taken. We have a police officer. Who puts that? Who puts that?
I'm gonna turn my camera off. Hey, did you witness her driving? Did you call 911?
Absolutely.
Did you give them your phone number?
I called White Ridge Police. You need to pull over and talk to you?
Man, if you could call them back and just give them your phone number. If you didn't, I'll call you, okay?
I don't know if they got it or not. You need to get
Yeah, here we go.
870.
I'll let you write it down. I'm a little shaky.
Yeah, dude, I thought she was going to kill somebody.
Well,
You pit maneuver?
Yeah.
I'm kind of shaky too, man. I thought she was. Can you read that? I'm kind of freaking out too.
Yeah.
759-2603.
That works. I'll give you a call. We'll probably need a statement, okay?
Okay, I'm headed
Are
to
you
work.
from here?
I live in White Ridge. I'm headed to work, but I got to get on the train. So
That works. Appreciate it.